would you fancy this? That we have come down, down, down. What's going on? Shed it to you guys. Shed it to the Otter Gang. Let's jump into those charts and take a look at what Bitcoin is doing. Okay, so look at this. We have fallen out of this wedge, and guess what, guys? We were prepared. Yes, we did take that TIA trade for a nice 3% yesterday. It hasn't fallen through, but it hasn't ran out the way we wanted it to. So we took profits, closed that trade. Now we're looking for more because we always want more. However, a bunch of you guys did take that short yesterday, and congratulations to you guys. I mean, the gang is on fire lately, and I cannot be more proud of all of you guys for crushing it. So if you are new and you are just seeing this for the first time, welcome. Join us in the free Discord. Link is in the description down below. But we were waiting. We took the 23%. We won. We had the trade set up ready and waiting. And Kyle, I believe, had the beautiful short setup as well for all you guys here. So nonetheless, come and hang out. If you want some good setups, some good community, and as long as you're not a douchebag, you'll be all right. But you can see we are in this aggressive little downtrend here, coming down to our key level. Now, we did say yesterday that our big bounce level here is right around 59,900. Okay, so this is the area that we are targeting right now. If we go from swing low to swing high, we get a golden pocket within this area. Also, if we go over to our key levels, okay, we have a bunch of key levels here. This is just an alert. I can hide this right now. Actually, I can get rid of this alert. Yes, we'll get rid of the alert because we'll be watching the charts like a hawk today. Okay, we're ready. But we do have key levels within this area that have volume. Okay, you can see the volume is coming in here. So we are looking for that liquidity sweep. Okay, we have blasted through this one right now. So we'll delete this and we can see that we are pushing downwards here. Okay, we are pushing downwards. The one thing that we'll look for is a retest on certain levels, and we'll get into that as we proceed to give you what you need. Okay, so we're going to go top down here on Bitcoin. Thank you guys so much for being here. And Alexandra G, the queen, sends her love. She is doing training right now, and she sent a $15 super chat. I can't believe it. Thank you so much, Alexandra G. She sent a $15 super chat, even though she wasn't able to make the live stream, sending her love to the gang, saying she's going to miss us, but nonetheless, she'll be back around Monday. Okay, so we're going to miss you, Alexandra G. Thank you for being such a big part of our community. We appreciate you. Okay, so looking at this now, what do we see? What do we see on our 3-day? Oh, man. We were like, Thursday, we're going to get another print, and we're going to be bullish. We're going to be bullish. Well, it didn't happen. See, this is the thing with forecasting. It's forecasting. We ain't the weatherman. We can't be wrong all the time, but we can be wrong sometimes. So you can see we were anticipating this to be coming up. VWAP crossing over the zero line. We did not get that. Okay, we've gotten a rejection off of our key level that we've been looking at. So how do we readjust? Well, this has been very choppy, as you can see, and throughout here, it has been down and choppy as well. So a little bit of patience. Okay, coming down to our key level, looking for that bounce and continuation. Okay, remember we said, where is the liquidity, right? Where is the liquidity? So if we look at the liquidations, we want to see a short squeeze, okay? This has been way too easy for these guys up here to short and just make money. Okay, way too easy, way too easy. Nonetheless, this has been way too easy also for these guys down here to just keep doing a trailing stop loss all the way up and onwards as well, right? Now, we did discuss what this area looks like yesterday on our charts, okay? And that area, we were saying, resembles, okay? Resembles, we take our bar pattern, we scan our bars here, okay? We got to scan the bars, and we zoom all the way out, and we go over. And it's looking a little bit like this, okay? That's what we're thinking before this previous run here, which is quite interesting because what happened after was pretty amazing. Okay, so we can anticipate something like this, bring that over here. And can we get this? Well, maybe. We'll have to wait. But there is a dip prior to that. So this is the dip prior to that, in my opinion, if we do get that. And, this would bring us all the way to that move that we're sort of anticipating. I would anticipate this more in July, okay, for a little bit of chop sideways here and then July. So that would be somewhere around here. Continuing that way. We said we're going to be boring. We got to bore everybody out, get everybody, no catalyst, no big move, and that's okay. Bore me out. Doesn't matter. Up or down, as a community, we're trading this and we're making money. Okay, we're making money, and we are definitely taking advantage of the sideways price action, which is not bad, right? We're not catching the big moves, but we're catching the moves within the area that we're trading. So this is what it's all about. Now, what's exciting in my opinion right now is this inverse head and shoulders on the daily. You can see the big inverse head and shoulders here that is eventually going to play out if we get this push up, break the neckline, flip it to support, and continue upwards. Okay, that's on the table. Okay, you're getting an inverse head and shoulder as well on your beautiful market cipher and market cipher oscillator. So we're looking for that continuation as well. Now this to me looks like a giant flag. Let's just continue to trade the range highs and lows, highs and lows. So what are we anticipating? We're anticipating a low, and we want to see a higher low. That's what we're hoping for continuation for higher prices. Now, will we get it? We'll have to wait and find out. Right now, the structure is suggesting a recovery of this area that I've been screaming at you guys for quite some time. I'm like, this has happened too quick. Okay, when price action happens this quick, we tend to come back and at least recover some of it before heading onwards and upwards. Okay, so that has definitely happened. We have our key level here that we are looking for the bounce right around 60,100 to 59,900. Okay, that's our key area for the bounce. Otherwise, you're coming for the liquidity down below, which will be a swing failure pattern down around 57,000. Okay, I don't think we're getting there today, but that's something to be aware of. And then you can see all the liquidity that lies above us. Okay, so we have all this liquidity up here. Really want to see price action change the structure here. We want to see a higher low and a higher high put in, and that would be the key area to look for a retest and a long-term long. Okay, so let's look at the 12. We can see money is coming out quite aggressively. We said the 12-hour looked bearish yesterday with the red dot confirmation and the money coming out. So that's played out pretty nicely. However, stochastics is still green, so we would look for posturing to the upside on our lower term time frames. Now, can we get the bounce, right? We want that continuation, beautiful anchor trigger wave market cipher basic strategy, right? We want to see this continue with money coming back into the market. So will we see that? We'll have to wait, but that's something we can anticipate for today. Okay, we're going to get 3 8-hour candles. Can we get the bounce and continuation? I'm going to be watching this trend line for a break. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour. Let's get rid of all the liquidations on here, and let's look here at what do we see. We see push up, recover of the Vecta candle, right? The Vecta candle here, we're recovering it. We got that bearish divergence on the 4-hour, naturally bringing us down at the beginning of the week, pushing us down. Now we have a deep anchor wave down below. So this is telling me that we could find some support here in the next 8 hours, in the next couple candles on the 4-hour, right? So that's something we can anticipate. Now, looking at this, we have gotten rejections off of the 0 line a couple times now, okay? So we really want to see the VWAP push through and hold the 0 line. We want to see the anchor push up and create a trigger wave. Okay, we want to see both of these things happen. However, stochastics is falling down quite aggressively as well. So this is looking a little bit bearish. And like we said, we've set the trap and we're waiting for that bounce off the golden pocket. We'll have to wait and find out. So we have a large trend line as well. You can see this large trend line coming in here. Okay, woo! You see the big large trend line. So this one here we can extend it here. Make sure it's accurate still. So what I would look for too is if I'm looking for a short, I'm coming in here, I could look for a retest of this trend line and a rejection. And as you can see, we have gotten it. So if we do push up, you can look for the rejection down. If we push up, you can look for the rejection down, right? I'm coming within this area ready to strike iron for a potential long, but we want to make sure that when we get within this area, we're not trading the giant wick to the downside. We're waiting for the retest continuation with bullish divergence, with beautiful market structure suggesting higher prices, with us coming up and breaking this downwards aggressive trend line that we have right here. Okay, so if we break that, we could look for that flip of the support and that continuation upwards as well. So those are kind of where I'm at right now. We can pull a fib for local support if you want, loco. So we would do this. We would pull over a volume like this. We can see we have a big level of volume here. We would pull our fib from swing low, or swing high, sorry. Swing high. Give me that. Swing low. I think I missed it. There it is. Right? And we could look for the bottom of the channel here. So this would be my bottom of the channel. You can see where the volume peaks out right here. So I'd be looking within this area right here, which is the 382.5 area for a rejection if we push up. Okay, because that's where most of my volume is. And this is how I isolate price. Just looking for those key levels within the areas. And let's see if that matches up with one of our levels. Oh, look at that. So we have that level there for a potential sell wall, okay, with volume. That we can look for a sell wall here. And then we have our golden pocket bounce level with volume here. Okay, so these are two levels how we've isolated price. And now we wait. No, waiting is the name of the game. Sometimes you got to wait. That's why we set alarms. But nonetheless, this is looking bottomy, but we want to see it come a little bit lower. That would be ideal, okay? Guys, if you're new here, oh, the sun's coming out. Look at this. Oh, my God. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Man, the sun's coming out. We have a great sponsor, BloFin. I'm working on an amazing deal for you guys. It's coming in a week, less than a week. And if you sign up now, you still get the bonus. So I'll be letting you guys know the announcement in a week. And thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Sorry about the lighting. The sun came out. It's a beautiful day, man. Much love to every single one of you guys. Have a great day. Peace.